understand that phrase.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a weekend vlog. It's been a while since I actually filmed. I've stopped going to work on Saturdays. Now I have my Saturday to myself. Today I plan to relax my hair. Okay, I'm looking a bit rusty, but yeah, I want to relax my hair today. But before I do that, I have some things I need to do. I need to wash my clothes, not my clothes, I need to wash like my uniform and then some other things that I use. Yeah, so that is what I want to do first, and then after that I'm going to have breakfast. Okay, so that's actually what I have planned for the day. It's officially time to start getting ready because my Saturday is packed. I have a video that I need to edit. I've been editing that video for months, and I think, yeah, it's definitely going to come out before this one. But like, that video has stressed the hell out of me. It was kind of like between the period of when I was exhausted with content creation, I wasn't being consistent, I kind of like lost the whole zeal about content creation. But I just had to ask myself, do I see myself doing any other thing apart from content creation? And if I'm being honest, the answer is no, at least for now. So this is my joy, this is what I have passion for. The only thing is that I'm finding it difficult to monetize it. That's where my issue is. I'm taking it seriously, not looking at my 9 to 5. Because if I'm being honest, the salary I'm getting from my 9 to 5, if you can't see the mama on, it's in the comfort. I think that the sister in there. I say I go leave that green, the difference between good and bad. Hey guys, can you see me? I'm in the car. I went driving today and I was very rusty, but still at least I knew where parking was, I knew where reverse was, I knew where drive was at least. But I was really rusty. I went with my mom because of I was so nervous. I could not even vlog a thing. I'm just so happy, like the fact that I'm not going to work again on Saturdays has opened up a lot of opportunities for me, at least.
You not want to see yourself at your prime.
Don't like alcohol.
For those, they think we depend on them. I just pay our room games and then shocker. Just to get out, they say, and they